What's good, YouTube? Your boy Bossco back again with another sneaker video. Hopefully everybody's having a great day wherever you are in the universe. As you can see in front of me, and by the title, we talking about that boy PG, Paul George, once again, a 2.5. We're going to talk about two of his most recent releases. I want to get your thoughts and opinions on both of these shoes. Which one do you guys like more? Of course, that's the gist of the whole thing. Which one of these shoes is better? Which one do you guys own? Which one did you guys try to get and could not? And yeah, things like that. Highlights plus on feet, all that jazz in this video. Without further ado, let's get to it, you dig? Alright, so under box number one, we have the PG 2.5 Pendleton TV PE multicolor college navy. These ones are pretty fire. If you guys saw my previous video, you know, let me know what you guys think about that. If you haven't, let me know what you think about it once you do check it out. But these ones right here are not bad at all, bruh. This colorway is fire. It's like that OKC blue, like that OKC Thunder blue. I don't even know how to explain it. This bad boy is fire. You got the 3M on the back panel where the Nike check is at. You got that Pendleton moccasin type tribal print all around the back of the shoe. Very fire. You love the pull tab. I like that a lot with the little designs going on both sides of the shoe. This shoe is dope, man. You got that turquoise with that college navy on the strap only. White outsole, which is cool. I don't really like white outsoles. That's gonna show where all your dirt is ASAP. But the shoe is still fire in itself. Maybe like a 9 out of 10, maybe even a 10 out of 10. I wanna know what you guys are feeling. How do you guys think these stack up compared to the other PGs that have dropped? And then also of this shoe right here, we pulling out this next one, which the official colorway on this thing is multicolor. This is the PG 2.5 PlayStation in the multicolor colorway. It's not the cool gray like we've seen before. Go ahead and open these things up. And if you haven't seen my review on these, you need to go ahead and check that out too. This is fire. This is a beautiful piece of work. A very great color and just color combination design on these. Let me know which one you guys are feeling. The PlayStation 2.5 is definitely dope, as well as the PG 2.5 Pendleton. These are dope shoes. Let me know which one, if out of these, would you guys go with? If you had to choose one or the other, which one would make it? Of course, the PGs light up on both the tongues. You got the Paul George logo here. On the other shoe has the PlayStation logo. As you can see, that thing lights up there too. Let me make sure that's on. Hopefully the camera's picking that up. I mean, the materials they used on here are similar but different. They of course both have mesh uppers, but the back panels are different. The PG has like a patent leather type of panel with some embroidery of the buttons that represent the PlayStation controller, and then this one has that back panel of like that Pendleton like tribal print and cloth, like wool cloth on it. It's very dope. It represents, you know, the Native Americans that live in OKC, so this has a lot of meaning behind it. As well as this pays homage to PlayStation, man. Both of these are dope, and they both retail. Well, this PE actually retailed at $120, and this one, believe it or not, retailed at $110, which is phenomenal. That's a great price point for a basketball shoe. If you guys own any one of these and hooping them, let me know how they stack up. I've heard a lot of mixed reviews about the PlayStation, or no, not the PlayStation, but the Paul George, the PG 2.5 as a whole. As far as basketball, I've heard somebody tell me it's their favorite shoe. I've heard some people tell me they don't really like it for basketball shoes. So that's why I do these type of videos. So myself, the other people in the sneaker community, and the people who make these shoes can see some of the feedback of what's going on with their product. So let me know in the comment section below which one of these two would go home with you. You feel me? Very, very dope shoes, man. A lot of good details to them. We're going to do up close and personal visuals on both of these bad boys, maybe even on foot, so you guys can see what they look like on feet. And get out of here, man. Thank you for taking the time to watch the video. Make sure you comment, like, and subscribe. Please share the video with more people so they can see us. We have like 5,600, almost 5,700 on our way to 10K. So do me a favor. Tell a friend and subscribe to your boy Bossco. If you're watching this video once again and it's not at 100 likes, man, I don't know what you're doing. Make sure you hit the like button. Let's get it over 100 likes so I can select another winner. And also, just the feedback is important, man. It helps out a lot. Without further ado, let's get to the highlights and the on feet. You dig?
Cook it, cut it, measure it, bag it, sell it. Cook it, cut it, measure it, crack. Cook it, cut it, measure it, bag it, sell it. Cook it, cut it, measure it, crack. That's that crack music, crack.
That's crack, youngin'. That's all you need.
Crack. Cook it, cut it, measure it, bag it, sell it. Crack. Cook it, cut it, measure it. Crack.
That's that crack music, crack. That's crack, youngin'. That's all you need.
Crack. Cook it, cut it, measure it, sell it. Crack. Cook it, cut it, measure it.
As it was in the beginning, shall it be in the end. Yeah. I come from a part of town where niggas stay armored down, where the bitches stay prodded down, and the corner stay powdered down, where the undercover cops be planning on to knock me. Freeze what? Fuck you, nigga better pop me. I leap for the fence, dog, leave no evidence, dog. Escaping from the devil seems like it's heaven sent, dog. I'm still living, mama need no yellow ribbon. Watch our son around the world getting money steady flipping, bitch. Screaming flip mode, BK zip code 718, nigga get it from the get-go. My jeans sagging, that means the heat packing. Front on the kid, lay stiff in the meat wagon. I'm louder than most, what I'm striving for the most. Yeah, death before dishonor, nigga live by that oath. Keep it gangster. Yeah, nigga play your post. We stepping up in this bitch like murder she wrote. Put my street shit.
Roses in my garden.
Every time I turn around, I see
black roses in my garden.
No matter where I go, I see
black roses in my garden.
Every time I turn around, I see
black